Hello everyone. Today my wife is going to show us how to make a papaya salad at home. For the recipe, I'll add it to the description again. First of all, lemons must be washed thoroughly because we will put one piece of it in the papaya salad. As for the salted crab, we boil it before cooking. Raw papaya must be peeled and shredded. Pick the stalks of chilli and peel the garlic. Let's get started. Pound chilli and garlic, not finely ground. Squeeze the lemon into the mortar and drop one piece down. Add half tablespoon of melted palm sugar. Drizzle a little bit of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon fermented fish sauce. Add 2 or 3 green tomatoes. Then cut 1 eggplant and put it in. Lightly pound it. Peel the salted crab shell and break into 2 pieces and put it in. Pound and mix well. Add 1 cup of shredded papaya and mix well again. We can eat papaya salad with our favorite vegetables. And it will be even more delicious when eaten with sticky rice. Or eat with grilled chicken. Today my wife bought roast pork. It's not bad either. Well, let's try it. So good. If you like our video, please thumb up and subscribe. I hope you have a good time with your family. See you next time. God bless you.